Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So in the last tutorial, I have make you learn the concept of set interval. I have defined the concept of set interval. Let's see how the time a digital clock is made with the help of set interval. So I have made in the body part, I have make a paragraph that contains its ID as display time and one input type button that has a value of display time, and on click it will call a display clock function. Let's make a display clock function. So display clock function, and in display clock function I'm going to call a set interval function with the name as time after every 1000. 1000 means 1 second. So every 1 second the time is been changing. So function time. So I'm going to declare a variable, and this variable will behave like an object of a date class, because new date is an inbuilt class of a JavaScript. So is the object that will correspond to the date class. So now the t variable that will fetch a time from date function to locale time string. So it is an inbuilt function that will fetch the current time, and it will be stored in a t variable. Then document dot get element by id display time dot inner html, because it's not a text box, so I will not use the function as well. I will use the function as inner html in order to display time over there. So t I will be right over here then. So let's see the output. Open in browser. So display time. See, we have made a dynamic time over here. I will explain you the coding once again. On click function, I have called a display clock function that will call a display clock function, and display clock function I have called a set interval function that will further call a tim function after every 1 second. So 1000 is a 1000 milliseconds is a 1 second, and after every 1 second the time function will be called. Then a date is a class, d is an object, d will fetch the current time after every 1 second, and it will store in a t variable. Then I have access a display time id, and its inner html is filled with the current time. So in this way you can just display a dynamic time with the help of JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial of JavaScript, and stay tuned with me. Join my channel Niklix. If you have any questions or you want to ask something from me, do type in the comment box, and do like and share my videos. Thanks for watching my video.